Lava ku. Wala.
Yes.
Pobre indawo. Ubomunye.
Wonderful.
Hayi, woza ubomunye. Wewe ubomunye. Uthuni? Ubomunye. Umfana osibambezele woza. Mawusebenza la woza. Uma uthi usebenza ngasiphinde ufune la. Una 3.
Why you two now one?
Why you two now one?
No, when we're asking you, you said you have one employee here. Why?
Yeah.
I'm the one for
Only to find out there are 3 here.
There are 3,
Why?
okay. Okay. How much do they rate per hour?
Our the 1,301 with for 20 holiday.
For?
1 week 1,300
Per week.
Per week.
But for it,
Hey, Sakala listen again.
you hold 1,300 per week.
You hold a malin.
Shayila kuningi ngoba malini per week. 600 rand. Nihola bank noma nipho ngesandla. Nayisayini contract. La nama contract emotweni. Tina, we are working with the Department of Labor. We are going to invite Department of Labor here. In fact, let's say every employee must rate 28 rand 79 rand.
That is a minimum
an
wage.
hour is a standard rating per hour is 28 rand 79 cent. 28 rand 79 cent. Do you have a calculator here? Okay.
You guys
If we say 29, 28, let's say okay. Let us say 28 rand 0.79 multiplied by 8 hours a day, it will make 230 rand 32 cent. 230 rand to 32 cent. How many days do they work?
6 days.
6 days.
The office and they pay.
Sunday paid.
Okay, you work 26 days. That is 20 multiplied.
Just say 230 times 6.
Is equal to 5,000. Write down. It's 5,988 rand 32 cent. 5,588 rand 32 cent. 5,988 rand. Look.
Okay, just divide that amount by 4 to get the weekly payment.
Okay. Then we divide by 4 because you paid weekly. It will give 1,497. 1,497. Okay.
That's 1,500
Because you have
rand a
to
week.
register them with the Department of Labor. You just deduct the UIF. You deduct the UIF. If also requires a tax, we are going to make an arrangement with the SARS to find out how much tax from a person who's earning 5,890 something. Because we can't allow a situation where people could come from China and exploit our own people. In China, you are socialist. But here also, you are supposed to be socialist, but you behave like capitalists.
Yeah, me and asking.
Yes.
One customer correct. Me and check her. Nothing Siemens. Yes. Now solo all of quiet. When I just one.
Okay. In
One
that,
Siemens.
okay, in that case.
But asking me choose more. Fine.
Okay.
Me the customer choose.
No, let's do,
money.
let's do this.
No.
Let's do
Yeah.
this. Let's do this. If the business is not doing well, let us give you a minimum at least of 4,000 rand a month, not 5,900, but at least 4,000 rand a minimum. Nobody could be paid less than 4,000. What does it mean? Every week you'll pay them 1,000 rand. If it is not possible, let us make it at least they are paid in 49. You just take 2 weeks, then you pay them 2,000 rand, and the other week on the 15th 2,000 rand, on the 30th then you pay 2,000 rand.
Just change.
Yeah,
Half month, half month.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
And everyone could.
You need to check on it. One customer. No,
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 don't worry.
Yeah.
We will market the shop.
Yes, me, I know.
This is the contract.
Oh, okay.
Go and make some copies. Somebody contacted. Send somebody to make copies that at Postnet.
Oh.
This will take how much? 10 rand. Give us 10 rand. A Postnet. We give you this sample of the contract. We want them to sign the contract of employment. This contract will just explain all benefits that they have and your benefit too. Thereafter, we will organize FNB to come here to open saving accounts. There are no more being paid by hand.
Envelope. Yes.
No more. They must be paid in their bank accounts, so that their bank account statements will reflect the money that they receive. It is how are we going to work. Thirdly, we will just provide you with some forms from Department of Labor so that you complete the forms, you register them. If it requires that we assist you, we will assist you free of charge, as long as we make your business to comply. And we will also tell the people to come and buy here because you are complying.
Yeah, Baba. That just too much. Siphon, no check, yes, no organ. Don't touch siphon. One day you check a camera or siphon or now you asking me money and it's okay. No stool anything, what keep hello.
Who?
No organ one stool, one day no customer, all of salad, no siphon. Now it's okay, you put a bigger money or siphon organ keep. I will check a siphon.
No, listen.
No, it's fine. They have to comply.
They will
even you too, you have to
we
comply.
are going to read the contract that you're signing them.
Yes.
It protects you and protects them.
Protect them. Yes.
Who is this gentleman? He's employed too.
Okay.
That one. Even that one. Is there any permit for him to be employed in South Africa? Because you can't work here doing just a general worker. He must be an owner or providing some scarce skills.
Me now that no busy, I no problem. I know busy. I still now 1, 2, 3 outside. Siphon, you check, siphon, no problem. Okay, customer, you check, no customer, no problem. You know. Now that if you put on money, it's okay, fine. Me pay. 1 hour, how much me
No,
pay?
it's fine. They have to start now to
But whatever you pay, in line with the
Yes.
employment.
No busy. I need a half.
No. You don't pay half. You pay at 40 nights, and you pay on the 15th and pay on the 30th. No more. If a person comes and say, "Please give me 100 rand," we can't.
No.
We can't do it.
Me, I know. 1 hour for how much you mean pay? Hours pay how much you mean pay? Okay, no busy. Okay, fine.
Whatever you do, comply. We wish to assist you to comply. We don't fight against investors and business people who come to create job opportunities. But we don't want those job opportunities to exploit and oppress and manipulate and abuse our people.
Yes.
We as Umkhonto weSizwe fighting for the economic freedom and political freedom. And that is why we're ensuring that each and every shop here under Umtubatuba, Inkosi Umtubatuba municipality will never allow people to be exploited. But we won't chase anyone. Only foreign nationals that mustn't be employed. Even if it's a Chinese or a Japanese or a Korean or whatever. But if he's not an owner, you just employ somebody to pay security from China, it won't work like that. So please, we are coming back, but try to make everybody, try to make copies, or 3 copies, set of copies. Make sure that you sign them, and the money that they rate per hour, and the money that they receive on the fortnight, so that everything be formally done professionally.
Just confirm the amount that she's supposed to pay for the employees during the fortnight.
An hour is 28 rand 79.
That is 2,000 rand per 40 nights, huh?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because